Hello guys, the most important thing which I want to share all of you with after a long time is that these students who have come to my batches very regularly and have performed very well and they are having very high ambitions for their life. I have guided them from the core of my heart and always inspired them to perform very good in life, because some of them who have come, they have got their relatives in different parts of the world, and this is the pride moment for me that I am teaching their generations whose relatives are living in abroad. Okay, and this is the proud moment for me. But the most important thing I want to give message to all of you through even with my these students that whatever you learn it very nicely, beautifully and very smartly, because today the world is changing, today the country is changing, change is the part of the life. Today we are living in the technology world, and my students who come from the Gen Z and Alpha generation, they have their different taste of the life because they are growing with the growth of the technology of the world. So that's the reason in changing world, I want and suggest my students to adopt all those changes which make them beautiful, smart, progressive, confident, and most important thing, successful in today's world, because change is a part of life. Even we cannot ignore the change. If we think India 5,000 years ago and today we think of the India in 2025 and in coming 2026, then it is far different India, which is full of technology, which is full of tremendous growth, which is full of potential, of the talent of these youths, which are likely to prove great assets to the country and to the world growth. So that's the reason I want to tell all of you that you should adopt the changes as a part of life. Okay, what we have got, what we would be achieving, we should be very clear about that. And we should keep an open mind for that. Okay, whatever comes in the form of the technology, we have to make balance of our life with the life of the technology so that we can grow in today's world very powerful way, so that our commitment towards happiness, our commitments toward prosperity, our commitments toward the richness of life should not be affected with the change of the technology. In growing changes, we have to be adaptable. We have to be adjustable with our life, with the life of our family, with the life of technology. Yes, technology is powerful, but technology is never powerful than us, because